In this video, we are going to continue on the slice tool, which I haven't covered in the previous video. Some other option in slice tool. So let's activate the slice tool. Right click on this, then click on slice tool. Another option in slice tool, you can slice it from you can right click divide and divide slice. What we can do is to add a slice based on the pixel, so it will slice horizontally per any pixel that we specify. Let's say 4,000 or 1,000 pixel. As you can see, it divides the image as per 1,000 pixel in horizontal way. You can change it into, let's say, 500. The more we reduce it to the lower pixel, it will create more slices. Also, we can divide by vertical. Tick on this pixel per slice, say 700. So it will create the slice with a 700 pixel horizontally, and you can click OK. So this is another use of slice by using the pixel sizes. Another option of slice is you can slice it by the use of guides. As you can see, there is an option here, slice from guide. You can activate the guide by pressing Ctrl R, and it will show this guide measurement. What you can do, you can click on this and drag. Also from here, let's say we have a guides of here, and you can click the slice from guide. It will slice the image based on the guides, and you can save it. Let's say file, under file, export, then save for web. Then we can click on this drop down and click on fit on screen, so we can see the images. What we can do also here, we can hold shift. Let's say we just want to select the selected slices. Make sure you choose the JPEG and click on save, and navigate to where you want to save it. Let's say I want to save in a new folder. And make sure you choose on, let me change this into JPEG, save, under new folder, image only, then make sure settings is default, and click selected slices, so it will only save that what we saved, what we selected. Then click save and navigate to the folder where you save it. Since I save it in a folder name folder, it will create a subfolder called images. Once you open it, you can find the image inside, which are the 3 images that I sliced or I selected to be saved, the slice image. So that's another way to slice. You can export also, and we are going to fit in view. To fit in view, we can save also all the slice image. Use all slices, then on the folder save, and it will replace the same images that we saved recently and replace. So as you can see, there's another images here. I'll select all slice images, So I hope this video tutorial helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.